Good day, ma'am. This is our painting entitled Unmasked. So the theme that we chose in this painting is personal identity with elements of emotional expression. The main idea that we wanted to express is how people often wear a mask to hide their true selves from the world, and how removing that mask reveals the more complicated, raw, and emotional layers underneath. And this painting was inspired by both personal experience and the idea of emotional honesty. Like many people, I've had moments where I felt I could not show my real emotions or identity. That led us to think about how often we wear masks, socially, emotionally, even creatively. So we wanted to explore what happens when that mask comes off. In the painting, a figure is shown holding a mask in one hand. The mask looks calm and perfect, but the real face underneath is fragmented and abstract. So the broken shapes and bold colors represents the complexity of identity and emotion. It's about vulnerability and the courage it takes to show our true selves even when it's uncomfortable. The objects in the painting all tie into the message. The mask represents how we present ourselves to the world, and the fragmented face symbolizes the truth we usually hide. And then the background moves from dark to light, showing a transformation going from hiding to revealing, from fear to acceptance. So what we wanted viewers to feel was a mix of curiosity and discomfort. Like, wait, which face is the real one? So we wanted it to make people think about their own mask, what they're showing and what they're not. For the elements of art, we focus on a lot on shape and color. The shapes on the real face are sharp and kind but chaotic on purpose. We use cooler colors like blues and purples on the face to give it more emotional, vulnerable vibe. The mask is warmer, reds and yellows, to make it look more put together. We also use textured by layering acrylic paint to give it more emotion and depth. For the principles of designs, we applied balance by placing the mask and the real face in opposite sides. There's strong contrast between realism and abstraction. Emphasis is placed on the mask, pulling the viewer in and then revealing more with the face. Unity comes from the circular composition and repeating color patterns. And there's sense of movement guiding your eye across the figure's emotional transformation. For the art movements and techniques, our painting is inspired by Cubism and Impressionism. Cubism gave the idea to break the face into shapes, while Impressionism helped me use color to show emotion. Then we use acrylic paint with both brush and palette knife. The layering added texture, and I use color blocking to highlight emotional tension. So this project helped me express a side of myself I usually keep hidden. It also pushed me to be more confident in using abstract forms and bolder colors. So in the end, Unmasked is not just a painting. It is a personal reminder that revealing who we really are, even if it's uncomfortable. It is a powerful act of creativity and honesty.